Hello, Sketchy Smiles family. Welcome back. As a reminder, don't forget to check out our cool step-by-step drawing videos for more fun. We're all about family-friendly creativity. Grab your pen and paper, gather around, and let's dive into the magic of letters. Ready for some fun? All right, let's kick off with the letter A. Can you say A with me? Now, let's see a word that starts with A. Airplane. A-I-R-P-L-A-N-E. Spells airplane. Awesome job. And don't forget, apple is another A word we all love. Moving on to the letter B. Repeat after me, B. Now a word, butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y spells butterfly. Butterflies are colorful and beautiful, aren't they? Also, banana is a tasty B word to remember. Next up is the letter C. Say C with me. Now let's learn a word, car. C-A-R spells car. Cars can go fast. Vroom, vroom! Oh, and cat is another cool C word with a cute furry friend. Let's dive into the letter D. Repeat, D. Now, a word with D, dinosaur. D-I-N-O-S-A-U-R spells dinosaur. Do you like dinosaurs? They roared loudly. Also, duck is a fun D word with a quack, quack sound. Time for the letter E. Say E with me. Now, a word, elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T spells elephant. Do you love elephants? They're amazing creatures. And egg is a simple E word we all eat for breakfast. Moving forward to the letter F. Repeat after me, F. Now, a word, fish. F-I-S-H spells fish. Do you enjoy watching fish swim in the water? Also, flower is a beautiful F word found in gardens. Let's get to the letter G. Say G with me. Now, a word, giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E spells giraffe. Giraffes have long necks, don't they? And guitar is a musical G word we play with our hands. Hopping over to the letter H. Repeat H. Now, a word, heart. H-E-A-R-T spells heart. Hearts can show love. Also, house is a cozy H word we live in. Investigating the letter I. Say I with me. Now, a word, igloo. I-G-L-O-O spells igloo. Imagine cozy igloos made of ice in snowy landscapes. Also, island is an exotic I word surrounded by the sea. Jumping to the letter J, repeat after me. J! Now a word, jungle. J-U-N-G-L-E spells jungle. Jungles are full of exciting adventures, and jellyfish is a fascinating J word found in the ocean. Kicking off with the letter K, can you say K with me? Now, let's see a word that starts with K, kite. K-I-T-E spells kite. Flying kites can be so much fun. Also, koala is a cute K word with a fuzzy appearance. Let's leap to the letter L. Repeat after me, L. Now, a word, lion. L-I-O-N spells lion. Lions are known as the kings of the jungle. Also, lemon is a sour L word we use in cooking. Moving forward to the letter M, say M with me. Now, a word, moon. M-O-O-N spells moon. Do you like gazing at the moon at night? Also, mountain is a majestic M word rising high in the landscape. Now we're on to the letter N. Repeat, N. Now, a word, nest. N-E-S-T spells nest. Birds make nests for their eggs. Also, night is a peaceful N word when the world goes to sleep. On to the letter O. Say O with me. Now, a word, octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S spells octopus. Octopuses are fascinating sea creatures. Also, orange is a juicy O word we love to eat. Proceeding to the letter P. Repeat after me. P. Now, by a word, penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N spells penguin. Penguins are cute and love the cold. Also, pizza is a delicious P word we enjoy for dinner. Quickly moving to the letter Q. Say Q with me. Now, a word, queen. Q-U-E-E-N spells queen. Queens wear crowns and rule with grace and elegance. Also, quilt is a cozy Q word we use to stay warm. Ready for the letter R. Repeat, R. Now, a word, rainbow. R-A-E-I-N-B-O-W spells rainbow. Rainbows have so many colors. Also, rocket is an exciting R word that travels into space. Skipping along to the letter S, say S with me. Now, a word, sun. S-U-N spells sun. The sun gives us light and warmth. Also, star is a shiny S word twinkling in the night sky. Time for the letter T. Repeat after me. T. Now, a word. Turtle. Turtle spells turtle. Turtles have shells to protect them. Also, train is a busy T word rushing down the tracks. Uplifting to the letter U. Say U with me. Now, a word. Umbrella. Umbrella spells umbrella. Umbrellas keep us dry in the rain. Also, unicorn is a magical U word with a single horn, venturing to the letter V. Repeat after me. V. Now, a word. Volcano. Volcano spells volcano. Volcanoes can erupt with hot lava. Also, violin is a melodic V word played with strings. Walking over to the letter W, say W with me. Now, a word, whale. Whale spells whale. Whales are enormous creatures of the sea. Also, watermelon is a refreshing W word to enjoy on a hot day. X marks the spot for the letter X. Say X with me. Now, a word, xylophone. Xylophone spells xylophone. It's a musical instrument. Also, X-ray is an X word used to see inside things. Yearning for the letter Y. Repeat after me. Y. Now, a word, yellow. Yellow spells yellow. Yellow is a bright and cheerful color. Also, yoga is a calming Y word that promotes flexibility. Zooming to the letter Z. Say Z with me. Now, a word. Zebra. Zebra spells zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. Also, zipper is a Z word that keeps things secure and snug. Congratulations on completing the alphabet journey. Your dedication is truly commendable. Keep practicing and remember, the fun of learning never ends. There's a world of creativity waiting for you in our other videos, featuring step-by-step drawing tutorials and more. As always, we're your go-to family-friendly channel for quality time and learning. Until next time, keep those smiles bright and happy creating. Love from Sketchy Smiles.